Think about this for a second. We're more connected than any generation in human history. You can message someone on the other side of the world in seconds. You can video call family across continents. You can have hundreds, maybe even thousands, of people following your life online. So, why do so many people still feel lonely? Why does it feel like something's missing? The answer might be older than civilization itself. Long before smartphones, before cities, before written language, there was a campfire. For almost 200,000 years, gathering around a fire wasn't just something humans did. It was how we survived. That circle of light meant safety. It meant you're not alone tonight. Around the fire, people shared food, told stories, laughed, argued, comforted one another, and built trust. Those moments weren't just meaningful emotionally. They shaped the way our brains evolved. Our nervous systems learned that being close to other people meant safety. Fast forward to today, and we've replaced a campfire with a screen. We've traded slow, face-to-face connection for quick digital interactions. A text, a notification, a like, a comment. Each one gives your brain a tiny signal that someone noticed you. But here's the problem. It doesn't give your nervous system what it's actually looking for. A notification can grab your attention. It can't replace sitting across from another person. It can't replace eye contact. It can't replace hearing someone laugh, noticing their expression, or simply sharing a moment without distractions. It's a little like eating candy when you're starving. You get a quick burst of satisfaction, but you're still hungry. In the same way, we're trying to satisfy an ancient biological need for belonging with digital experiences that were never designed to replace real human connection. That's why loneliness isn't something you can simply scroll your way out of. The solution isn't more followers. It isn't another app. It's creating what psychologists sometimes describe as spaces of genuine presence, a modern campfire, a place where phones disappear. Conversations aren't interrupted every few seconds. People actually listen instead of waiting for their turn to speak, where you feel seen, where you feel understood, where your brain can finally relax because, for a little while, it knows you're safe with other people. The campfire isn't really about fire anymore. It's about choosing presence over distraction, choosing conversation over scrolling, choosing the person in front of you over the screen in your hand. Our ancestors survived because they stayed connected to each other. Maybe the thing we've been searching for isn't more technology. Maybe it's simply finding our way back to each other. If this video made you see loneliness and connection a little differently, give it a like. It really helps more people discover these conversations. Share it with someone you care about. You never know who might need to hear this today. And if you're interested in more videos exploring psychology, human behavior, and the science behind how our minds work, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.